Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today in our video, let's draw a beautiful sleeping sun. So here I'm drawing an eyes and the cap and then shading the sun with a yellow color and the cheeks, and then I'm drawing a clouds and just drawing the music. So let's move on. Here is a beautiful cartoon that has been drawn. So first let me draw an eyes and then an ears and then an hands and the lips. So here a cartoon is holding and the leg is being drawn, and let's draw a big tail. Shade them with yellow and the green color. Here in the next diagram, I'm gonna draw a pig holding a kite. So here a first nose and the eyes is being drawn, and then a cheeks with the smiley lips is being drawn, and then a body with the leg is being drawn. Let's draw the hand. So in the hand, a piggy cartoon is holding a kite. So a kite is being drawn and then a rope is being given to the hand of the pig cartoon. So let's move on. Here is one more the cartoon. Here I'm drawing different types of boxes, and the tie and the shirts and the leg is being drawn with the shoes. So later I need to draw an hands and the fingers is being drawn, and a big eyes and the nose and the eyeshadows and the lips with the teeth is being drawn. So again one more guy, a friend cartoon is being drawn with a big bulk body and the eyes and the hands and the legs with the smiley lips. Let's move on. So here I'm drawing in watermelon. So here are two lines and ears and the nose, and here is a piggy bunny having a watermelon. So let's put some shades with pink color and a cheeks with a pink and then with a green, and shade them with a red color. So here's a beautiful piggy bunny holding a watermelon. So let's draw some 4 lines, and then I'm joining that 4 lines. Here I'm drawing a cap. So here a face of Christmas Santa Claus and the eyes with beautiful smiley lips is being drawn. And then here is a snow stick. A cartoon is being drawn and shading them with the red color where the Christmas Santa Claus will wear, and let's shade them. Here's a snow cartoon that has been drawn. Let's move on. So let's put some 6, and then I'm just drawing the nose and the eyes and the lips is being drawn. So here I'm drawing a piggy cartoon. So let's draw the hand and then slowly let's draw the leg. So let's shade them with black color. So the poster is like it's sitting and then it's holding a cone and an ice cream. Let's put some shades for this piggy cartoon with the yellow color and then a pink color. So let's move on. So here first I'm drawing a head crown, a type of cap and the ears, and then a bell ring is being drawn. So here a tie. Here we are drawing a chef. So a chef with a button and the chef dresses is being drawn. So slowly a leg and the shoe is being drawn. A chef is like who knows to cook well. In the hotels a chef cooks well and gives a tasty food. So here I'm drawing a chef holding a food, and the eyes and the nose and the lips is being drawn. So let's move on. So here I'm drawing a hairs, and then a cap is being drawn. A Christmas Santa Claus cap is being drawn, and then a neck with a shoulders, and it's holding a boxes with a gift. A girl is holding a gift in her hand. So let's draw the bow, and then slowly let's draw the eyes and lips. Thank you.